Okay, before I forget, this is an easy way to open your Vizio remote. You probably can't see it. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro right now. There's actually a hole right here where the arrow's at. There's a hole in between here. So this is what you do. Slip something, I'm using something short. But yeah, I'm using a box cutter. Put in a little bit and it just slid right open. Boom. There you go, it's open. No damage or anything like that. See? And it open right up. So that's how you get that open. And now it won't pop open. But yeah, you see there's a little slot there, a little hole. They put that there for that reason. And then I finished doing that and now it's open. But unfortunately, with this terrible design, this means that, I don't know, long-term damage, I guess. Yeah, it's like, and I may be returning this. I was just testing out my sound bar here, the all-in-one sound bar, 2.1. So, and I may be returning it, and then, that's already damaged there. So, if you can find something that is not as sharp as a box cutter, if you look, like basically this right here is the hole, this square. And you can slide something right in there and pop it open. There you go.